Yung boyfriend ko ay my girl best friend and I don't want him to build a close relationship with her. My boyfriend went to his girl best friend's birthday party and then he posted a picture of them plus other girls being super physically close and it bothered me. For context, yung boyfriend ko, my girl best friend, bago ko pa siya naging boyfriend. I have always been uncomfortable sa type of relationship that they have. They're super close and they have a history of flirting with each other before we were together. I have brought this up to him already and he said naman na there's nothing going on between the two of them and he really doesn't see his girl best friend in a romantic way. Friends lang daw talaga sila. In other words, platonic. I did not want him to cut off his friendship with her because he said she matters to him. So we just left the conversation as that. May mga instances na kapag nag-hangout sila, she would post photos of them together hugging. Bilang girlfriend, hindi ko alam kung ano iisipin ko pero hindi talaga ako mapakali sa ganitong kilos nila. Ilang beses ko nang sinabi sa kanya ang issue na to and he said sorry naman. Sabi niya, he will try not to do that anymore. Super friendly lang daw siya and he said that's his personality lang talaga. Wala din naman daw talagang dapat ikabahala. Ang totoo, wala rin namang any indication sa boyfriend ko na dapat ko siyang i-distrust. Pero malaking issue talaga sa akin ang closeness niya sa girl best friend niya at sa iba pa niyang girls best friends. Yes, other girlfriends. I want to set some boundaries but I don't know how. Ayoko naman i-confront ang girl best friend niya kasi baka magkaroon ng misinterpretation at mas lalo pang gumulo. Ilang beses ko nang binring up ito sa boyfriend ko and it hurts me na I have to bring it up all over again. I really hate repeating myself kasi paikot-ikot lang din ang magiging usapan. For me, I asked you once, you should be able to remember those boundaries. I don't want to ask twice how to be treated right. Ma-pride ako that way. I am thinking of just ending this relationship kasi I cannot be with someone na super friendly to other girls. Kahit girl best friend pa niya. Well, lalo na kapag girl best friend niya. I just can't. But maybe I'm being too harsh with my decision. I love this guy and honestly, I see myself being with him long term.